Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video, we're going to be making a wall hanging, and yes, I have a lot of stuff all over the place, so let's jump into the video so that I can show you what we're doing today, what our craft is today. Let me show you exactly what I have here. Okay, at the Dollar Tree, you have these signs. They come in a set of 3: thankful, grateful, and blessed. Aren't they beautiful? I'm loving these ridges here. Okay, now there are a couple of things here that I did do ahead of time for time's sake on the video that I've already done in previous videos. I want to show you this long wooden stick here. This is one of the stir sticks for the 5-gallon paint. You can get this in a 3-pack at Walmart. I think that was 97 cents. Okay, along with the ornaments. Let me see, I think I might have some here. Okay, so that's how they come in a set of 5. So I took 2 of them out. Also, I want to show you these. Okay, we have these pearls here. These are absolutely gorgeous. I pulled out the green ones and I used them to decorate the turkeys, and they came out so beautiful. Okay, so again, the paint is the turquoise paint. You can get this at Walmart. And the beads here, the pearls, I'm sorry, it was either Walmart or Michael's. Maybe the pearls was Michael's. And I got that with a 40% off coupon. And then the turkey in a set of 5, it's their ornaments. And yeah, I just pulled out 2. And then I went ahead, stained this ahead of time, and then placed the pearls on there. Isn't that beautiful? Okay. Then I went ahead and I did 3 sets of bows. Now this is the ribbon that has the owls. I like that ribbon. And so I made 3 ribbons, the shoe bows, and I put jute twine and a regular ribbon along with that owl ribbon for this one. Then for this one, I used the last of the sunflower ribbon, jute twine, and a little bit of that brown ribbon that came in the back of this decor piece here. I just pulled that off. And then I did this ribbon here, again, just like this one, just a little bit shorter. Owl ribbon, the brown ribbon, satin, the jute twine, and then right in the center of all 3 of the bows, I placed one of the same of those green pearls. So actually, all of these things have the pearl on them. Then I went ahead and I pre-made the bow. So this is a ribbon that the Dollar Tree carries, with the red truck carrying the pumpkins in the back. And all I did was fold over the tail and I butterfly them on the bottom. I did 3 sizes of the ribbon. I don't know if you could see that. So about 3 times for this size, 3 times for this size, 3 times for this size. I put a little slit in the middle and I tied that. And then I went ahead and glued both pieces together to get something. Look how beautiful that is. To get this, I'm getting better, guys, with these bows. So the only thing really we're doing is kind of putting this together to make a nice piece. Oh, one of these pearls came off. So let's just glue that back on. Okay, and we'll let that dry. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start out with this stir stick. We'll go ahead and glue everything down and then we'll add the twine first. So I thought it would be nice to glue these signs here. So we'll do the grateful. Let's figure out the placement. Okay, so this one says grateful. And like, I'm not in a rush to get into the holidays. I feel like everything's going so fast. So I'm kind of embracing each holiday. So we're in October and I'm preparing for Thanksgiving. I just don't want to rush. I feel like everything's going by so quickly. I don't know if you guys feel like that. I thought it would be nice to take that ribbon off and use the stick. This is going in a very narrow area of my hallway. So this is what we have so far. Let me turn that around. And in case you didn't notice, I did put a little of those green pearls, just one on each one to kind of blend everything together, because this is my pop of color, is that turquoise. So I thought it would be nice to place the one with the longest ribbon. This is what that looks like, guys. I keep covering that up. We're gonna place that on the bottom here. You know what? I just had an idea. Let me see how this looks. I like that better. So let's glue this. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Isn't that beautiful? I think that's starting to look so beautiful. And incorporating this color, I definitely thought would give it a pop of color, and I'm really liking that. I hope you guys like it too. So let's go ahead and stick the other bows on there. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is place this big one. I am so happy with the results of this big one here. Now I don't want to cover the grateful. So let's place it on the top and maybe curl the ribbon. Okay, so we're gonna place the bow. Guys, I think this is so beautiful. I hope you guys like this. Okay, and then I have another ribbon over here. All right, and here's a jute hanger, but let me show you what this looks like. So it doesn't cover the grateful. Look at that. So this is what that wall hanging looks like. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? I think that came out beautiful. The blend of colors, the turquoise, the turkey with the pearls. Look at that. I'm so happy with it, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm like restricted here in this area. Let me turn this around so we can go ahead and put the jute hanger on it. Just give that a minute to dry. So let me turn this over. Hopefully that's dry. And there it is. That is absolutely beautiful. It turned out better than what I thought it would. So again, if you like the video, click like, share, comment below, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next one.